Hey guys, in today's video, it's a beautiful buttercream vintage cake with a gothic twist to it. So if you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So first of all, you're going to do your crumb coat, pop it in the freezer, 5-10 minutes, and then do your second coat of buttercream. And by the way, if you guys haven't watched it yet, I have a video where I show you how to make the perfect shade of black buttercream without using all that food coloring. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll put the link in my description box of this video. So once you do your second coat of buttercream, you're going to chill again 5-10 minutes because when you're going to put the stencil on top, you want your cake to be super chilled. Place your stencil on top of your chilled cake. Very, very carefully, you're going to press it down. And then you're going to spread a small amount of buttercream, making sure that everything is covered and smooth. This part, you really have to take your time. Don't rush into it. You don't want the buttercream to go in between the lines of your stencil. Spread everything nicely, remove the excess, and gently, carefully remove the stencil. Here's a great tip. Instead of piping directly to your cake shapes, in my case here I'm doing hearts, and risking to smudge the buttercream, what you can do is do what I'm doing right now. Always pipe on a parchment piece of paper and then you're going to pop it in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. Like that, the shape will stay intact. If you don't like it, you're going to pipe it again, and then you can simply transfer it directly to your cake. To create the perfect swirls, what I'm doing is I always use this kind of tool right here. So basically it has like little dentations and you're just going to poke it inside your cake and then it gives you like the perfect shape all the way around. I don't know about you guys, but every time that I try to hand free, my swirls are never the same size. But at least like that, I know they'll be perfect. By the way, all the tools that I'm using in the video will be linked in the description box of the video. Now that my outline is made for my swirls, I can go ahead and pipe over them with a little star. I'm using star 27, but you can actually use any mini star that you want. I'm kind of creating like a zigzag effect up and down, so that it gives like that nice little design. For my shell border, I'm going to use Wilton 6B, and I'm going to do that at the edge of the cake at the top, and I'm going to repeat the process at the bottom of the cake. To create an extra detail, I'm going to create another shell on top of that at the bottom using Wilton 199. Using a toothpick, I'm going to poke holes so that I know exactly where my hearts will be. These little tricks are very helpful just to make sure that everything is aligned up. You can now place your frozen little hearts onto the little holes that you created, and I finished the look with a cute little spider. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Mwah!